Welcome to Rob on Holiday. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Sequoia Lodge, one of 6 on-site hotels at Disneyland Paris. I'll be showing you the rooms and facilities to help you decide if the Sequoia Lodge is the right hotel for you. This is an idea of the kind of theming you get at the Sequoia Lodge. 2 beavers on a false beaver dam there. Well, the theming all over the lodge itself is fantastic. Like I say, it's based on the California national parks and the giant sequoia trees there. And they have got quite a few trees around, you can see here and there. And it gives you the feeling of being in a big woodland lodge in the forest. And the buildings themselves, there's plenty of stonework on them and wood. Very authentic feel. Now, the other thing that's worth talking about is a lot of the facilities for the Sequoia Lodge are in the main building. You've got your bar and the restaurant areas and a lot of the rooms, but also you have several lodges where there are guest rooms as well, so it's quite a spread out resort. Sequoia Lodge is one of 3 Disneyland hotels located on Lake Disney here. You've got the Newport Bay in that direction and the Hotel New York in the other direction. Now, the Sequoia Lodge has got a great location because it's only 5 minutes over the bridge and down to Disney Village there, and you can walk through Disney Village to the parks. But of course, if you don't want to walk, you can get the bus from the front of the hotel, and that's a 2 or 3 minute drive to the train station at Disneyland Paris. The rooms at the Sequoia Lodge are Bambi themed. Standard rooms have 2 double beds and sleep up to 4 adults. There is also a table with 2 chairs and a large storage unit with the TV on top. The rooms at Sequoia Lodge are a little dated compared to some of the other Disneyland Paris hotels, but they are clean and offer quite a bit of space compared to the value options. At the time of booking, you can also choose to upgrade to club level at the Sequoia Lodge. The Golden Forest club rooms are all located in the main building close to facilities and have a mini fridge. However, the best perk of staying at the Golden Forest Club is the Golden Forest Lounge. Here you can enjoy a free buffet breakfast, free non-alcoholic drinks all day and free snacks in the afternoon. In the Sequoia Lodge, this is the Redwood Bar, and they serve obviously drinks. You get nice drinks like this, hot speciality hot chocolates. You can get snacks in here as well, but the main dining options are downstairs. The Hunter's Grill, Beaver Creek Tavern, it's all one big restaurant now, and that's where you can book your breakfast and also an evening meal. Like I say, it's worth reminding you, if you've not been to a Disney hotel for a bit, you used to get breakfast included in the price, but you must pay for the breakfast now. If you stay at the Sequoia Lodge, they've got a really nice indoor swimming pool. The swimming pool is located in a separate lodge just behind me there, and obviously you've got a covered walkway to get there, so you don't have to worry about getting wet. The pool itself is fantastic. They've got a slide coming over a big rock face into the pool area, and it's just a nice little advantage that if you've had enough of the parks and you just want to chill out in the swimming pool, then it's really good. Like all Disneyland Paris hotels, the Sequoia Lodge has a 24-hour reception, a gift shop and a luggage storage service for your check-in and check-out day. There's also a lovely outdoor terrace next to the bar, which is a nice place to relax with a drink in the summer. So, what are my overall thoughts on the Sequoia Lodge? I love the theming at the Sequoia Lodge, and the hotel's a great location for getting to the parks on foot. The buffet restaurant and bar are also both fantastic. The decor in the rooms might be a little dated, but it didn't really bother me. The Sequoia Lodge tends to be slightly more expensive than the Hotel Cheyenne and slightly cheaper than the Newport Bay Club, which I think is fair. Overall, the Sequoia Lodge is a great hotel and, in my personal ranking, a close second behind the Cheyenne for the best hotel at Disneyland Paris. Thanks for watching our Sequoia Lodge video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more Disneyland Paris videos.